See, here given x into cos x, we have to find d2y by dx square. So therefore you have to consider first given y is equal to x into cos x. Now differentiate with respect to x on both hand side. Okay, so derivative of y with respect to dx is equals to derivative of given function x into cos x with respect to dx. Now dy by dx is equals to, this is the multiple form. Multiple form means this is the product rule. Okay, so first function as it is derivative of second function plus second function as it is derivative of the first function. Okay, so dy by dx is equals to x as it is derivative of cos x is minus of sin x plus cos x as it is derivative of x is 1. Okay, now simplify. So dy by dx is equals to, so dy by dx is equals to minus of x into sin x. Now multiply it 1. So minus of x into sin x plus cos x into 1 is a cos x. So therefore dy by dx is equals to, write the first positive, after that a negative. So cos x minus of x into sin x. But we need to find d2y by dx square, second order derivative. Therefore again differentiate with respect to x on both hand side. Now derivative of dy by dx with respect to dx. Okay, with respect to dx is equals to derivative of, as it is the function cos x minus of x into sin x. So here derivative of cos x as it is minus of derivative of, this is the multiple form. So first function as it is derivative of second function plus second function as it is derivative of first function. So this is equals to derivative of cos x is minus of sin x minus of, maintain the bracket because of here the minus. So therefore after it multiple. So x derivative of sin x is a cos x plus sin x as it is derivative of x is a 1. So 1 into sin x is a sin x. Now minus of sin x multiple by this minus. So minus x into cos x and plus minus, so sin x. So here minus sin x, here minus sin x. How many times? 2 times. Therefore minus of 2 sin x minus of x into cos x. This is the d2y by dx square. See, given function is x cube plus of tan x. Now we have to find a d2y by dx square. So therefore given y is equal to x cube plus of tan x. Now differentiate it. Differentiate with respect to x on both hand side. So derivative of y with respect to dx is equals to derivative of x cube plus tan x with respect to dx. So dy by dx is equals to derivative of x cube, separate it, derivative of tan x. Okay, now dy by dx is equals to derivative of x cube is 3x square plus derivative of tan x is secant square of x. Okay, now again differentiate because of we want to find the d2y by dx square. Therefore again differentiate it with respect to x on both hand side. So derivative of dy by dx with respect to dx is equals to derivative of 3x square plus of secant square of x. Okay, so derivative of 3x square is 6x plus of derivative of secant square of x 2 sec x into derivative of sec x. This is actually composite function. You see in the composite function we are differentiated already the secant square of x. So therefore secant square of x differentiation is 2 sec x into derivative of sec x. Now d2y by dx square is equal to 6x plus of 2 sec x into derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x. Now d2y by dx square is equal to 6x as it is plus of 2 sec x is multiple with sec x into tan x. So 2 sec x into sec x is the secant square of x, and after that lastly tan x as it is. So required answer is d2y by dx square is equals to 6x plus 2 into secant square of x into tan x. This is the answer. See how to find the d2y by dx square. Okay, solution at the given y is equals to log x. Now differentiate with respect to x on both hand side. So derivative of y with respect to dx is equals to derivative of log x with respect to dx. So dy by dx is equals to derivative of log x. We know that derivative of log x is 1 by x. But we have to find d2y by dx square. Therefore, again differentiate with respect to x on both hand side. So derivative of dy by dx with respect to dx is equals to derivative of 1 by x with respect to dx. So this is equals to, so derivative of 1 by x, we know that already derivative of 1 by x. So this can be written as, you have to take a quotient form, or you have to write the directly derivative of x power of minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 into x power of minus 1 minus 1. So minus 1 x power of minus 2. Okay, so now x power of minus 2 can be written as minus 1 divided by, bring it down, x square. So this is the d2y by dx square value is minus 1 divided by x square. See here, x cube into log x. First given right as it is, y is equal to x cube into log x. Now differentiate with respect to x on both hand side. So derivative of y with respect to dx is equals to derivative of x cube into log x with respect to dx. So now it is the dy by dx is equals to, now it is a multiple form, first function and the second function. So first function as it is, derivative of second function, that is a 1 by x, plus second function as it is, derivative of first function is 3x square. Okay, so now dy by dx is equals to, how many x here? Here 3 x's and here 1 get cancelled, remains only the x square, plus of 3x square into log x. Okay, this is the dy by dx value, but we have to find a d2y by dx square. So again differentiate with respect to x on both hand side. Okay, so derivative of dy by dx with respect to dx is equals to derivative of x square plus 3x square into log x. So this is a d2y by dx square is equal to, now separate it, derivative of x square with respect to dx plus constant 3 take outside and the derivative of x square into log x with respect to dx. So this is equals to derivative of x square is a 2x plus 3 constant, maintain the bracket, again this is a multiple form. So therefore first function as it is, derivative of second function 1 by x plus second function as it is, derivative of first function x square derivative is 2x. Now simplify, 2x plus of, here 1x get cancelled, 3 outside, 1 divided by, x get cancelled, remains only the x. So x here plus here x. So 2x into log x. Okay, so this is a d2y by dx square value. Simplify, so d2y by dx square is equals to 2x plus multiple by the 3, so 3 into x is a 3x plus 3 into 2 is a 6x into log x. So 2x plus of 3x becomes total 5x plus of 6x into log x. This is the d2y by dx square. So final value is 5x plus 6x into log x. This is the answer. Take the homework. Question number 7. E power of x into Sin 5x. Question number 8, e power of 6x into cos 3x. Okay, just follow the previous method. Let us consider y is equal to, after that differentiate, if possible simplify, again differentiate, and we will get the d2y by dx square. Okay.